Generative AI or generative artificial intelligence refers to the use of AI to create new content, like text, images, music, audio, and videos. Generative AI is powered by foundation models. Large AI models can multitask and perform out-of-the-box tasks, including summarization, Q&A, classification, and more. Adopting AI is no longer a choice, it's a necessity. Regardless of your field, AI skills are crucial to stay competitive. Our mentorship program helps you transform into an AI engineer, boosting your career prospects and problem-solving skills. Learn from industry experts and work on real-world projects to gain hands-on experience. Our program offers expert mentorship, hands-on experience, community support, latest AI trends and tools. Upgrade your skills, upgrade your career, and upgrade your future with AI. Join now and stay ahead of the curve.